absolute animal. This is the guest that you don't want at your dinner party. 120 miles per hour, don't even notice it. And this car is getting on for being 30 years of age. Really handles on the corners, we're going in. And this is like the track car. What a dream machine this is.
The Mark IV's time on the planet was relatively short-lived. By the end of the century, tastes had changed and Japanese monster cars went right out of fashion. However, the Supra, it seems, is a beast you just can't kill.
Hold on, what's that?
Because 19 years after its last appearance, the beast is back, and this time it's personal.
Welcome to the future, son. This is the new Supra and it's rapid.
Now I know exactly why you let me drive on my own.
So you've got 3 litres straight 6, so 6 cylinders under there, a twin scroll turbo in there, chucking out about 432 brake horsepower. If you have a look around the inside, it's very BMW. So this car is a collaboration between the two, BMW and Toyota. Wow! This is what driving is all about, I've got to say. It's such a shame that Toyota and BMW have just made this car a little bit too late, because this is the car to put a smile on your face. It feels like a swan song for petrol, it really does. Wow, it is so much fun. It's probably the most fun I've ever driven. I really mean that. Fuzz, I've got to be honest though, that car does look absolutely stunning.
Do you know something, Tim? I'm so pleased that we're doing a Supra. These cars are fantastic.
Mate, it's got such a presence, but come on, let's get back to the workshop. In 3, in 2, in 1.
Go!